Alright guys, today is Friday the 6th and we just got back from the school. They had ceremonies today and they were giving out awards and things like that. And guess who got an award? Hannah Grace got an award today.
Yeah.
She made honor rolls this year. I'll tell you what, we're very proud of her because she transferred from the province up here, and she tested when she first, when we first enrolled her and everything, and there were some subjects that she was a little behind on, and we got her tutors and we got her help, and she did very good this year. When we first started, we had to help her with her homework and help explain things to her, and then we got her tutors for her first quarter and second quarter tests. But you know what? Come the middle of the year, she was doing her homework on her own, she was studying on her own, and she did very well this year. Honor rolls. What do you have to say, Hannah Grace? Nothing?
I'm very proud of you, Mom.
Yes.
Papa are proud of you.
Very
right?
proud.
You do your best. She's just so happy with her medal.
Yeah. But anyways, we are heading to, where are we heading to?
Marquee.
Oh, we're heading over to Marquee Mall to the buffet over there. We're going to check it out, and we're going to just chow down on some good food. But anyways, that's what we're doing today, and congratulations to Hannah Grace. Alright guys, here is where we are eating lunch today. Yaki Mix Sushi Smokeless Grill Restaurant. It's almost 11:30. They open up at 11:30. And you can see they're lined up outside. We got reservations. We already checked. There's already a table available for us, but let's see if it's going to be a wild stampede into the restaurant, or if it's going to be done in an orderly fashion. But anyways, this is where we are eating lunch today. Alright guys, we're inside the restaurant right now, and we're getting ready to chow. There's Hannah Grace.
Hello, this is a nice place.
Yeah, we never ate here before.
Yeah,
But we're going to head over there to the smorgasbord, and we're going to hit that. We're going to grab some food, and I'm going to chow down.
a small treat for her.
Small treat for her for doing so good in school. But we are going to chow down. I'll show you guys all the food after I grab some food and eat. Alright guys, we got the grill going here, and putting some oil on it right now. And we're going to grill some, I don't know what we got, chicken, pork, I think some squid. I don't know what we got going on here. But when you go up there, get your food. It's like a madhouse. It's a madhouse. People don't realize this is a smorgasbord. You can come back and get more. You don't have to empty the whole dish out so the next person don't get any. This is a smorgasbord. You can come back and get more. We are grilling. I've never done this grill before like this. Have you, Lut? Yeah, we've never done this before. This is the first time. How was it, Hannah Grace? Good? How does it look? Good? Very good. Oh, and they got sushi up there also. All you can grab. So, you know, I'll be killing that sushi.
She said she didn't see the shrimp.
Yeah, I seen somebody cooking shrimp.
Yeah, but I didn't see the
Well, we got to find a shrimp. That's the problem. People will sit there and they'll take 500 of them instead of leaving some for everybody else. And then, you know, as I say, it's a smorgasbord. You can come back and get more. You don't have to take it all. Alright guys, here is the buffet. All kinds of stuff. Fruit salad, sugar beets, cucumbers, cabbages, eggs, bananas, pineapple, watermelon, papaya. You swing around here. Soups and I don't know what all this is. I guess it's for your soup, if you want to put this in your soup. I don't know. Then you hit the sushi line here. Your sushi. Some more soups here. This one out here. Tortillas. A lot of this I didn't even see when it came up because there were so many people here. Salad toast. Huh. Chicken corn soup. And here's where you get your meats and stuff to put on your grill at your table. All kinds of chicken, spicy chicken, American chicken, pork chop, pork spice, pork liempo. Right. Spicy liempo roll, salted pork, sliced pork, all kinds of stuff. And then your vegetables. And some more stuff to put on your grill. Your fish, tuna belly, squid balls, fish cake, milkfish, salmon ribs, shrimp, crab sticks. You got to get it when it first comes out, especially the shrimp, because it'll be gone. Then you got your dressings and stuff. Minced garlic, chopped, Sealy, I don't know what, I can't even pronounce half this stuff. I just eat it and try it. And then they got the candy here for the kids, I guess. Then you have the dessert over here. And all your sodas are over here, and all your drinks are over here. Oh yeah, that's it. Alright guys, we're getting ready to leave here. I just looked at $5.28 for all you can eat. What, a little over $10, something like that for all you can eat. And I'll tell you what, I'm stuffed. I mean, I am packed. I ate and ate and ate and ate. But how you feel, what? Are you full? She's full. She's jammed the last piece in her mouth. She thinks if you leave a little bit of food on the table that they're going to make you pay for it. And I told her, no, they won't. So she's eating everything up because she thinks they're going to make us pay extra. But we are full. We ate a lot of food. I mean, wow. Definitely very good. I don't know if I would, I don't know, I'd probably come back here again, but not anytime soon because smorgasbords and all-you-can-eat buffets are really not my thing. I don't know, it's not that I can't eat a lot, it's just I shouldn't eat a lot. But everything was great, like I said, and we're getting ready to head out of here, and we are stuffed, we are packed, and I don't know what's coming up next. Maybe a nap. I don't know. All right. I have Lutz sitting here right now.
Hello.
Lutz gonna tell you guys, if you're not, well, some of you guys don't know this, about food culture here and, you know, the culture here in the Philippines. if you go to a family, you know, say you go to your girlfriend's place or, you know, future wife's place out in the province, or even here in the city or anywhere, some of the cultures and some of the traditions here in the Philippines when it comes to, you know, dining and eating, it was kind of weird when I first experienced it, because I really kind of took me by surprise. But anyways, look, explain to them, like, if you go to, like, meet a family, the girlfriend's family for the first time, and what to expect when you sit down with the family and have a meal, like what you were, you know, what you know, like what you, yeah, your culture, the culture.
Yeah, that culture has been going on for how many years now? When you go to the place, like my family or all my relatives, and then I'm going to bring some guests, you already you need to expect that the guest will be eat first before everybody else, because I don't know, for some reason we always do that. That's a part of our culture. And then when they serve you food, you need to like eat it, and they wanna know how your expression is. They wanna know, like, is it good, or, you know, they always do that. Like, they always want you to eat first before anybody else. And so wherever you go and you meet your future wife, families, relatives, and everything, you already expect it that they will going to do that, because that's what Brian's. That's what my family did to Brian, and most Filipinos always do that. So.
Yeah, because it was like when I first went and met Lot's family, it was kind of weird because, like, all the food was made, and then everybody's looking at me and looks like, get a plate and eat, or sit down, fill your plate up and eat. I'm like, well, I'm the only one. You know, I don't want to sit here by myself and eat. Like, I feel kind of awkward, like I'm nobody special. Everybody join in, somebody grab a plate, somebody start first, let's got a customer. It was kind of weird because it was like, it was just kind of awkward because I felt out of place to begin with. But yeah, you know, like she was saying, like when you go to visit a family members here, you know, for the first time, they're going to expect you to sit down and eat first. I mean, they'll stand around, they'll wait around, and you're going to sit there and eat. It's kind of strange, but that's just the culture here. That's your tradition here. But even after a while, you know, it got to the point, you know, I knew the family well enough and stuff. We all just kind of sat down and ate. But yeah, I mean, that's one thing you're going to expect here. Even a birthday party. We went to one of our friends' birthday parties in the province, and I knew all these people by then. And we walked into the birthday party, and all the food was prepared. It was all there, and they were telling me, go first, go first. But at this point in time, I was kind of like, nah, you know, you guys eat, don't worry about me, I'll get something to eat. And then they were good with that. But yeah, like they expect you to eat it. And if you don't, if you just take a bite of something, you know, that's all they kind of expect. If you bite something you don't like it, don't be like, ooh, gross, right?
No, that's not really a good one, because they will feel like embarrassed, they'll feel like annoying. Like mostly when you are there, when you are in part of our, ano po?
May bagong lipat kaninang maaga dito?
Arali ko po balo. Kasi wala kami kanina eh. When you go to where we at?
Oh, hang on. There's a sign here for rent next door on our building here, and people keep stopping and asking us. So we have somebody asking us if we know anything about it. Anyways, you were telling about when you taste something that you're not supposed to like wrinkle your nose up or say ew or disgusting.
Yeah, because they will like feel embarrassed. Like they want, like, you know, it's a very simple like compliment to give them, like, you know, like just like even you don't like it or not, you just like saying it's okay. You just don't need to act like yeah. No, it's kind of like,
it's almost like an insult.
There's insulting them.
Yeah,
like there's no appreciation, you know. Like
they take the time to prepare the food,
and some people take it like 5 hours. So it depends what kind of food you're going to. It depends what kind of food they will like serve for you, and something it take longer. and they cook it very good because they know the visitors is there. So don't act also like, I know our food is different than your food, but for me it's not really good to have kind of like bad face bad face when you eat, because there's some food also that I don't like, but I don't eat. I just said, oh, it's okay.
Now after a while, after you've been with the family and they get to know you and everything, here's a perfect example. They cooked up this little fish. No, it was like a raw fish, right?
Yeah.
They caught these little fish and they, you know, they cleaned them out and everything, you know, got all the insides out. And I don't even think they scaled it or anything like that, but these are these little tiny fish. And me, I'm willing to try something. I'll give it a shot. And I reached down there, I grabbed it, threw it in my mouth, took like 2 bites. Oh, I made this face, I spit it out. And you know what? The whole family started laughing. So after a while, you know, the family gets to know you and everything like that, you know, then it's different. Like I said, they won't ask you to sit down first. That's only when they want to actually, you know, the first time when you meet the family and things like that. But yeah, that's just a little bit of the culture and something, like I said, in case you're coming here and you're, you know, meeting somebody you met online or been talking to or whatever, and then you go to meet the family. It's just a little something to be aware of when you meet the family, because like I said, the family, like Lit said, they take a lot of time in preparing it and they take pride in their food. And if you don't eat or you make ugly faces about the food, it's almost like an insult. So anyways, guys, tomorrow's another day. Journey continues. Got anything to say, Lut?
If you haven't subscribed to his channel, please subscribe to his channel, share with your friends, and that's about it. See you tomorrow.
That's about it.